just synchronized, drenching lightning in the dark. Every maybe leaves a mark, interest gates the neural fire, dopamine the hidden wire. If it sparks, I'm all in flame. If it fades, I leave the game.
Overclock without the fan, running harder than I can. Bristle right up then the frame, crashing cool, repeat the same.
I am amplitude incarnate, high variance, heart and mind. Peaks like meteors in orbit, floors I try to leave behind. Not superior, not confined, just a different power line. And the signal clears the sky, I don't force it, I align. Loop it once and loop again. Did I miss it? Count to 10. Check the pattern, scan the seam. Every flaw inside the scheme. Hyperlogic turns to thread. Pull it till the doubt is fed. If it's not 100%, brain won't let the circuit rest.
Binary, refine it, optimize, define it. Certainty's a cage of steel, searching for what's never real.
Refine, recalculate. Truth must walk or I can't wait. Precision turning into chains. Perfection tightening the reins. It's not fear, it's signal noise. Amplified by restless coils. OCD, the second core, guarding every open door.
Then the silence breaks the storm, neural chaos taking form. No self-audit, no defense, pure predicted consequence.
I don't think I just perceive. Every branch begins to weave. Not controlling, not command, just probability in my head.
Flow feels like the truest me, no distortion, clarity.
Call us cocoa, let me run. Any branch it clocks to one. Not a god and not above, just a mind aligned with love.
Of the pattern, of the play, of the now, no yesterday.
Voltage piece, the system screams.
Brain dead ones on broken dreams.
Hyper-focus eats the night.
Leaves the body out of sight.
Then the drop, the hollow chest.
Executive circuits understand.
Closure goes in daylight glare.
Mastermind but not in there.
Cool on protocol engaged after every overstate.
High computation, high expense.
Power comes with consequence, not a flaw and not a lie. Just a life on running high. If you build for steady streams, don't expect my lightning beam. Some compile and hold the line. Some explore the undefined. Some maintain the stable groove. Some ignore what others hid. Society, the giant board. Ever note a different chord?
Variance is not defect,
It's a different intellect.
ADHD is not a curse, it's amplitude for better or worse.
OCD is not a crime.
Signal card that binds me down, neurotypical steady flame.
Different chord, a laser game.
Final phase, these strange. I'm inside chaotic ocean. Raise the floor, but keep the sky. Let the sailor wild alive. Different clocks, but same design. Every paw has its time. When the static finally fades, we don't conquer, we cascade into flow. Love you, build course, steady stream. I don't expect my lightning beams. Some compile and hold the line. Some explore the just fine. Some maintain the stable grid. Some ignite what others hid. Society, the giant board. Every note a different chord.
Body's every kid is gold. Every kid versus amplitude for better or worse. In the calling place, Lord.
I'm a feast true. I'm inside chaotic ocean. Raise the floor, but keep the sky. Let the sable and water line. You can clocks the same design. Every call has its time. When the static finally fades, we don't conquer, we cascade into flow. Comes with consequence, added for another lie. Just a way for running high. Cyanide, a giant board. Every note a different chord.